Diabolical. Characteristic of the devil, or so as to be suggestive of the devil. Devilish, diabolical, fiendish, satanic, Mephistophelian, demonical, hellish, infernal, wicked, ungodly, unholy, cacodemonic, disgracefully bad or unpleasant, very bad, poor, dreadful, awful, terrible, frightful, disgraceful, shameful, lamentable, deplorable, appalling, atrocious, inferior, substandard, mediocre, unsatisfactory, inadequate, second rate, third rate, shoddy, inept, bungling, hopeless, crummy, dire, dismal, god-awful, shocking, abysmal, bum, rotten, pathetic, woeful, pitiful, lousy, useless, the pits, duff, rubbish, ropey, chronic, a load of pants, poxy, crappy, shitty, chicken shit, hellacious, direful, egregious, very great, extreme, excessive, undue, inordinate, immoderate, unconscionable, outrageous, uncalled for, unprovoking, intolerable, unacceptable, unreasonable, unjustifiable, unwarrantable, without justification, indefensible, inexcusable, unforgivable, unpardonable,